Hey, what's up? This is Eric, and I'm going to make a quick video on how to use this plugin by Cable Guys called Halftime, or when making a melody or a sound more interesting. And this is going to be pretty quick. I have Logic opened up already. What you're going to want to do is get a sound that you like. Make a melody. The simpler, the better, as long as it makes you nod your head. So like those three chords will do. You could like quantize this. You can make it a little bit longer for more diversity. Alright, so now that we got that, let me change the sound. But just for the example, I'm going to look up just a random sound. Alright, now here's the trick. Hold up. Let me do some things here. Make this stereo instead of surround. So you load up Cable Guys plugin. And it's called Halftime. So what you do, what this plugin does is it adds a layer of the same sound but at half the speed, 1.5 times the speed, or 4 times slower. Each one of these makes it slower. And this is the mix. And you can choose how long you want it to do. And you can put this on a whole track. And this is what I do. I do this in layers and add the mix to about like 50%. Add another copy. And then mess around with the timing. And then from there you could just start like a crazy beat over it. This sample's actually kind of whack. You could change it to whatever you want. Check out part 2 to to learn how to do this on an already bounced out track or sample.